The Church of San Francisco in Santiago is a marvel of earthquake-resistant architecture. For centuries, it has survived earthquakes, showing faith and resilience in the face of disasters. In earthquake-prone areas, buildings must be designed to withstand these forces. Chile's seismic-resistant churches are perfect examples. They show how old techniques and new ideas work together to protect these sacred places. Let's dive into the story of Chile's earthquake-proof churches. We'll see how tradition, faith, and modern architecture come together to make them last forever. The Ring of Fire is a zone of intense seismic activity that includes Chile. It makes Chile prone to significant earthquakes. This area has over 75% of the world's active volcanoes and 90% of the world's largest earthquakes. Chile's earthquake history is filled with powerful seismic events. The 1960 Valdivia earthquake is the largest ever recorded, with a magnitude of 9.5. These events have shaped Chile's seismic activity, leading to designs that focus on resilience. The need for resilient church buildings has led to new construction techniques. Chile's churches are designed to withstand earthquakes. They use flexible materials and designs that can handle intense shaking. Understanding Chile earthquake history and seismic activity in Chile is key. It helps develop strategies to lessen earthquake impacts. By learning from past events, architects and engineers can make buildings, including churches, safer for everyone. Earthquake-proof churches show how architects blend spiritual needs with strong structures. In Chile, where earthquakes are common, churches have been built to last. They use earthquake-resistant architecture to stay safe. The Church of San Francisco is a great example. It started as a stone building but has changed over time. Now it's stronger thanks to new materials and designs. This has helped it survive big earthquakes, keeping its beauty and spiritual value. These earthquake-proof structures use materials that bend with earthquakes and strong foundations. This mix of old skills and new tech makes them strong and lovely. These churches are special because they look good and are safe. They show how earthquake-resistant architecture can keep our culture alive. They give us hope and a connection to our past during tough times. For centuries, Chile has faced many earthquakes, yet their churches have stood strong, showing faith in seismic zones. The Church of San Francisco, for example, has survived many big earthquakes, including the 1647 Magnum earthquake. This event was a key moment in Chile's history, and the church's survival is a story many locals know.
The church has been a part of our family for generations.
Maria, a descendant of the church's original builder, shares a story. She remembers her grandmother talking about the church's strength during earthquakes.
It's not just a building. It's a symbol of our faith and our ability to withstand nature's fury.
The churches were built with advanced techniques for their time. Thick adobe walls and strong wooden structures were made to handle earthquakes.
These churches were built not just for worship, but as fortresses against the earthquakes that frequently strike Chile.
These churches mean more than just their design. They show the faith and strength of the Chilean people. As earthquake safety measures in churches improve, these old structures teach us valuable lessons for today's buildings. The 2010 earthquake in Chile left deep scars. Yet, amidst the ruins, stories of survival and faith emerged. For many, the quake tested their spiritual strength.
The church was the only building that stood tall in our town. It became a beacon of hope.
The seismic activity in Chile brought forth remarkable survival stories. Susana Fuentes shared her tale, pointing out the comfort of resilient church buildings during the disaster. These personal stories show the emotional and spiritual effects of earthquakes. The mix of faith and earthquake-resistant architecture was key to the community's survival and resilience. In areas often hit by earthquakes, the spiritual value of strong church buildings is huge. These places offer not just a safe place, but also a spiritual refuge for those affected by earthquakes. The Santiago, Chile temple, for example, stood strong during the 2010 earthquake. It shows the power of faith in the face of disasters. Earthquake-proof structures like this temple show the engineering skills and faith of the people they serve. Faith plays a big role in helping communities bounce back. Seismic-resistant churches shine as symbols of hope. They offer spiritual support and comfort to those hit by earthquakes. The mix of resilient church buildings and the faith they represent is key. It helps communities deal with and heal from earthquakes. This highlights why we must keep these sacred places safe. Chile's earthquake-proof churches stand strong thanks to careful preservation work. The Church of San Francisco is a great example. It has been restored and strengthened several times to stay safe in earthquake zones. Conservation projects aim to keep the building's original look while adding seismic-resistant technologies. This mix of old and new is key to saving these historic places. Protecting these sites involves more than just fixing them up. It also means teaching the community about the value of keeping cultural heritage alive. This way, Chile's earthquake-proof churches can keep showing faith and strength. Keeping these churches safe is a big job that needs teamwork. Historians, architects, and local people work together. They find the best earthquake safety measures to add to the buildings without losing their historical charm. Chile's earthquake-proof churches show the strength of faith and engineering. These buildings have survived many earthquakes, offering a safe place for people to gather. The mix of faith and engineering has helped these structures stand strong, even when earthquakes hit. The importance of Chile's earthquake-proof churches is huge. They are symbols of hope, showing that it's possible to create safe and spiritual places. This is thanks to careful planning and design. Looking at the stories of these churches, we see their deep meaning. They connect the community and their faith, making their bond stronger. This connection has grown as they face challenges together. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe for more content. With that being said, have a blessed day.